Indian pluralism is a heritage of history that was cherished by the leaders of the Indian national movement. These leaders were convinced that India's pluralism is an integral whole, whose dominant logic is not confrontation but an acceptance of coexistence.
Secularism, you're using it as a word, as a concept, it's obviously a modern concept, but this society has basically rested on this kind of a consensus, on mutual adjustment, on mutual accommodation. So secularism was an idea that was, as it were, imposed from the above, but again it was done so because people were sensitive to the fact that this society rests, operates on an inter-community network.
Sarai Khalil, in the Chandni Chowk area of the walled city of Delhi. In this muhalla or locality, the Muslims are in majority. It is the time for the Hindu festival of brotherhood, Raksha Bandhan, when women tie a string around their brothers' wrists as a symbol of love and affection, and the brothers promise lifelong protection and care. Over the years, this festival has come to symbolize brotherhood in more ways than one. For here in the alleyways of Sarai Khalil, we see girls of Muslim households making the traditional Rakhis.
मेरा नाम साजिदा है, मैं सुल्तान एक बार राखी बनाती हूँ और मैं तीन चार महीने से राखी बना रही हूँ। मेरे मामा भी राखी बनाते थे, मैं भी राखी बनाती हूँ।
These Rakhis will then be sold by Hindu traders to Hindu women for a Hindu festival. For these girls in the alleyways of Chandni Chowk, this is no novelty. But for social scientists, it is yet another tangible evidence of a composite culture and a cultural continuity.